Understanding Dance Academy, a beginner's guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, Dance Academy. This video will help you understand what it means, its usage, and some interesting facts about it. So, let's get started. Dance Academy is a compound noun, made up of two words, dance and academy. Here, dance refers to the art of moving your body rhythmically to music, typically following a set sequence of steps. An academy, on the other hand, is an institution or place of study or training in a special field. So, when combined, Dance Academy refers to a specialized institution dedicated to teaching and training in dance. Dance academies often teach various styles of dance. These can include ballet, a classical dance form characterized by grace and precision of movement; hip-hop, a vibrant, energetic street dance style; contemporary, a dance style that combines elements of several dance genres including modern, jazz, lyrical, and classical ballet; traditional or cultural dances, specific to different cultures and regions. A dance academy plays several crucial roles. It's a place where 1. Students learn the techniques and skills of dance. 2. People can experience the cultural and artistic aspects of various dance forms. 3. Dancers get professional training and preparation for dance careers. 4. It fosters a community of dancers and enthusiasts, promoting the appreciation of dance as an art form. When looking for a dance academy, consider the styles of dance offered, the qualifications of the instructors, the facilities and resources available, the academy's reputation and reviews from former students. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what a dance academy is and its importance in the world of dance. Whether you're looking to pursue dance as a hobby or a career, a dance academy can be a great place to start your journey. Thank you for watching, and happy learning!